video is sponsored by Postal Copy Center. More on that later. Hello party people and welcome back to another Brain Dudes, Brain Dad, and Brain Deer video. The new AirPods 3, yay! And some Apple Watch bands.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Okay.
Be quiet, Siri.
Yes. Sorry about Siri getting into our business.
Yep.
The Apple Watch Ultra 3. So there's a lot of 3 in this video.
Yep.
Third generations of things.
But the only thing that does not include a 3 is the brand new iPhone 17. We will be showcasing this in today's video and the new features that it brings.
You can see it here. We can now do this.
This is the orange.
We have a new camera in the studio, and you can actually see that.
And another feature on the iPhone 17 is that there is 3D. See how that moves? There's 3D modeling with the iPhone 17. You can put that on your wallpaper now. That is really cool. Okay, stop saying nerdy stuff and get to the video.
Yeah, you keep saying that you're gonna use that mic 2 on your hand, but reality is that I don't like it because you're moving it, so you're not really giving it the best shot to compare the mic 3 versus the mic 2.
Okay, let me just.
We're gonna have to put that in your shirt. So with the magic of video editing, we'll be right back.
We're back. Okay, straight to the review on these two microphones versus each other. DJI Mic 3 is a lot lighter. As you can see, we have them in the same position, and the DJI Mic 2 sinks.
Yes, you can see that it actually comes with a clip in the back. It's this clip that I had on my hand. Let's see if I can get it to focus.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and new camera. Cool.
Yes. So we also have a new camera we're trying out today. We also have a new lighting. We're still trying to figure out how to get the studio recording so that you guys can actually watch our videos. So let's take a look at the Mic 3. This is the third generation of the
DJI Mics.
DJI Mics. Well, actually there is a mini in between. So
this is the fourth generation.
Yeah, so this is kind of a fourth generation. It's actually the same size as the mini. Let's just see if we can get this camera to focus right there. There you go. And we have this camera now on top. So what we're gonna do, with adult supervisions, we're gonna get a sharp object to open this box.
Never do this at home.
And if you do,
unless you're unboxing something, but
well, with the supervision of an adult, right?
Yes.
So don't play with sharp
So
objects.
5-year-old, do not go grabbing a pointy object and swinging it everywhere. Let's stop talking about that.
Yes. So the other thing that you guys will ask is that, hold on, you are unboxing a box and you already have Mic 3s on your chest?
Yeah,
well, yes, because we actually have 2 boxes of them.
Yeah, let me tell you about a story that happened with us. So we recorded a video on unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Mic 3s. We forgot to click record on this camera. And we had to restart. So we bought these, not only for the purpose of redoing the video, but also because my dad needed them for some random reason that I don't know.
Well, we need to be able to actually put the receivers on many cameras, and now that they have time code, you're actually able to sync the video without. I just realizing that the camera on top is giving me some shadow that I wasn't expecting to have. So let me just move closer. So yeah, so you can actually now connect multi-receivers to a master receiver, and then you can have the time code between them, so you have very precise timing that allows you to actually sync video on editing way easier than before. So we're gonna open up what we have. So we have here some fuzzy, I
like to call these Ushankas of
air
mics.
muff, so that the noise doesn't affect your video. We have the 3.5 and a USB cable, 2 magnets.
I like to call these little fuzzy things the Ushankas of mics.
The actual case, and I think that's it. And then we have this little pouch that comes. It's actually nice. Gone is the days where we have the fancy Mic 2 DJI. So
Yeah.
you can see this is different material. I actually prefer the DJI 2. I might steal it, meaning that I might put my DJI 3 case inside the DJI 2 because it's like fake leather and it's actually really nice.
So, off to the Ushankas of the mics. So, this is what they look like outside of the.
Put it
mics
over here so
and-
that everybody can have them shot from the upper camera view, and then we're gonna show them how to put everything together inside the
So,
case.
there's a black one, and there is a fuzzy gray and black one.
Yes.
So you can choose whichever one you like, but me and my dad personally like the colored ones.
Yes, we do. And then we have the 2 little magnets for the
Is it
camera
magnet?
over here. Yes.
A little bit of a science lesson here. Oh, a little,
It's kind of strong, isn't it?
a little bit of a science lesson here. Will they repel if I put them on both the black side? Absolutely yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now if I flip one and put them together,
I
obviously.
don't know why we having this show of V8 over there.
Yep, obviously they will attract. I'm not going to actually
Okay.
attract them. So yeah.
Satisfying moment. Let's just peel this off.
Let me do it. I want to do it. Ow. Ah.
Put the magnets on the bar. Put it here. Ready? Everybody's waiting, Brian.
Yep. Sorry.
3, 2,
2,
1. Hold on. Your mic is actually.
Mike is
making-
falling. I hate it.
Yes. We're back.
All right. Yeah, we're back. I was playing with the magnets.
So time to open the case. It actually has the DJI Mic 3 name on the corner right here. And when you open the case, take a look at it. You get the beautiful receiver and the 2 mics, the 2 transmitters. Now, if you pull it, you're gonna see that they actually come with this little clip, right? You can actually clip them, right? The beauty of this is that not only it will stand vertical like this, you actually can take them off and rotate them. So if you want to put it so that the mic is on this side and you want to clip it this way, you can do so. So this is actually magnetic. So pretty nice. And these magnets clip in the back. So if we look at it over here, you have it here. You have the way to take it off.
Oh wow!
You can
never seen
rotate
it in
it.
Mic 3.
Yeah, you can rotate it like that or like that. You can take this magnet and you can clip and unclip. Okay.
Wait, I want to give them more fun facts with the magnets. Can I have that?
Give me the little. Yes.
So, fun fact: if you put them on the side that they repel from, and you have one on your thumb, you can make this magnet do a kickflip. If you just do that.
All right, so let's take a look at what it comes on the little box over here. What we can do is we can actually put this little cable inside here. For the people looking at this camera, let's switch to the camera on top. You can now put this magnet on the back.
What's
The other
wrong?
one.
Let me do this one. Yeah, no, I think you should do this.
Mm-hmm. They're very strong magnets, as you can see.
Ah.
Reindeer had a hard time trying to put it in there.
Yay, finally.
Yes, you put it upside down. By the way, you can probably talk about our sponsor.
Okay, yeah. In Postal Copy Center, you can send, mail, or receive any package going from USPS, UPS, Post Office, FedEx Express, all that. Even DHL. Yay. And we have mailboxes for you to just keep your mail, and then we will notify you when your mail is in your mailbox. How cool is that? And we are located at
9722 Gaston Road, Suite 150.
what he said.
Postal Copy Center is there for your family mailing needs.
And if you don't speak English, si no hablas inglés, we're all fluent in Spanish at Postal Copy Center and here. Todos estamos fluidos en español aquí
Todos
en la casa.
hablamos español, así que
Todos
si
hablamos.
necesitan español, pueden ir a Postal Copy Center, allí los ayudaremos com muito gosto. Se vocês também querem falar em português, a gente pode falar português com vocês lá. Vamos lhe ajudar a seus envios. Muito obrigado.
He's trilingual, I am bilingual.
Alright, so here we are. I just put everything together inside the little box. So let me show you how that looks like. As you can see, that's the box and everything fits. Right? And that's the DJI Mic 3. So let's compare it with the DJI Mic 2.
So, the box, as y'all can see, because we're recording on this camera, is a lot better. It's like,
It's a little bit shorter. So if we actually put this on the scale here, let's take a look. It's about 11?
it's about 11 inches.
No, centimeters.
Centimeters.
We speak centimeters in this channel. This one is about 10.1. So it's almost a centimeter shorter.
Almost a centimeter.
Actually, the DJI Mic 3 is a little bit wider. So if you put it here, it's about 4 centimeters wide, while the DJI Mic 2 is probably about 3.8. So a little bit. So if we actually grab these two and we put it like this in the camera, you can actually see that it's tiny bit. And lengthwise, you can see that
Mic 3 is a little.
the Mic 3 is a little bit less. So a little bit wider, but it's shorter. In overall dimensions, I think that the DJI Mic 3 will be easier to carry.
Okay, so now that we have wrapped up the DJI mics, we can set this aside.
And hold on. Thanks for watching this video. This concludes the unboxing of the
Mic
DJI
3.
Mic 3. And we'll see you in the next one.